Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Come on in, have a seat, relax, and enjoy. So, recently I haven't posted any videos, and the last video I posted was about me losing quite a bit of money on Robinhood. So today I'm going to be talking a bit about that. I know I haven't done a DoorDash video in a long time, but the reason for that is I haven't really been doing DoorDash, so I didn't really see the point of doing DoorDash videos since I didn't feel caught up on the topic myself. I don't know if you guys could hear my rubber bands for my uh, teeth, but they're kind of rubbing, so it's making a rubbing sound. It's throwing me off a little bit. Anyways, so I haven't done DoorDash videos, but I have been doing a different side hustle, which is Robinhood. Now, I've been investing on both Robinhood and webull. And as you guys know, the last time I posted a short, I was down a couple $1,000s and I wasn't feeling at my best. And honestly, for about a month now, I haven't been doing great because before the invasion of Ukraine, I was invested in a Russian stock, and when all that happened on the 25th of February, I said that's super weird, but on the 25th of last month, the Russian market essentially closed, not allowing people to buy or sell in Russian securities. Now, since things have been moving along, I know what's going on in Ukraine and Russia is terrible, and I'm not going to get into that just because everybody else has covered it. But since all that has been going on, I haven't had the capability to use my money for other stocks, essentially pulling out of the Russian securities and putting into something else. So hopefully tomorrow, I think trading will reopen for anybody that's outside of Russia. So anyone who's essentially not a citizen of Russia will be able to buy and sell stocks once again that belong to the Russian market. So, well, they belong to you if they're yours, but that are posted on the Russian market. So hopefully I can pull out. I am still up a little bit. I will give you guys more information on how my investing is going, but it's not going terribly so far. Today wasn't that great of a day. I believe I was down about 6%. But the next time I post one of these videos, I'm going to go ahead and post a screen recording of how much I've made on the markets, and we'll go through all of that. Hopefully I'm going to be doing update videos daily on which stocks I'm choosing, which stocks I'm investing in, whether it was a good choice or not. And honestly, I don't do that much research into companies. I just look at companies that are low for the day, look at a couple of articles to see if they've done anything terrible to essentially drive their stock down, and whether it'll recover, and make a judgment call based on that for the day. So essentially, I just day trade on companies that aren't doing so well, or companies that are actually doing well and have great news. So if you guys want to know about that, definitely let me know in the comment section below. If you would like to see videos on investing, stick around. I may still do DoorDash, but I do have a steady job now, so I haven't been doing DoorDash all that much. But anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this little tip of me coming back, what's going on, what type of content I'm going to be doing in the near future. But hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will see you guys in my next video.